Namaste everyone, welcome to the 10 days systematic practice of Pranayama. Let's begin. Again, find your base position. The foundation of Pranayama is to keep your back, neck and spine upright and straight. Make sure there is no hunch and you are feeling nice, loose and relaxed. Have your hands either in Chin Mudra or Gyan Mudra or Bhairavi Mudra. Any mudra that you feel most comfortable in, go ahead and go into it. For a few moments, become aware of your breath and center yourself. Coming into the present moment, into the now. Once you are centered, let's begin with one abdominal breathing. Bring your hand onto your abdomen as we did previously yesterday. Same process, breathing into your abdomen, stomach rises fully and completely without strain. And breathe out, stomach falls fully, completely, slow and deep. Breathing in is 4 seconds, then breathing out is about 6 to 8 seconds. Repeat the same for about 10 to 15 breathings. After 10 to 15 breathings, bring your hand onto your knee, sit quietly for a while and preparing your mind for full yogic breathing. For full yogic breathing, you're laying your both hands onto your chest and abdomen. You're breathing in when your stomach comes up. Continue to breathe in your chest. Breathe out through the chest. Continue to breathe out through your abdomen. Keep doing the same breathing pattern for about 10 times. Breathe in and breathe out. 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 After about 10 or 15 breathing, back your hands onto the knee, sit quietly for a while, prepare for Kapalbhati. So for Kapalbhati, if you have watched my other video, then you may know how the Kapalbhati works. Otherwise, let me show you one time. In Kapalbhati, we are exhaling forcefully from the abdomen and release. Exhale and release. So it looks like this. So I'm breathing out through my abdomen and through the nose and then release. So I'm not inhaling and exhaling. I'm not doing this. Yeah, so I'm doing only exhale. Okay, so let's begin. Hands again either in Chin Mudra, Gyan Mudra or any other mudra that you feel comfortable. Take one abdominal breathing. Breathe out. Then breathe in and begin the pumping. Exhale, inhale, and exhale. Sit quietly for a while and relax your body, preparing for the second round. Second round, breathe in, breathe out. Now breathe in and begin. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. Release and relax for a while. Third round. Breathe in. Breathe out. Then breathe in and begin. Exhale, inhale, and exhale. Release and relax. We were doing about 30 pumping for 3 times. If that 30 pumping is too much, you can go ahead and just practice 20. You make sure that you're not feeling any uncomfortness in your body. So make sure that it's easy and feel good, and whatever is possible in your body, of course, as I always mention. I hope that you're practicing. Let me know if you have any difficulty, any question, please comment below and I will come back with the answer. Thank you very much for joining me at the Yoga with Amit, and I will see you tomorrow. Till then, namaste.